Hi friends, Erin at the library here with a harvest-inspired read aloud for you. This is How to Make an Apple Pie and See the World by Marjorie Priceman. And that is for this month's Harvest of the Month, apples. So let's take a look at our end papers. Here we have a map of the world highlighting some of the places that our character is going to go to find the ingredients for her apple pie. How to Make an Apple Pie and See the World by Marjorie Priceman. On our list here, apple pie, apples, flour, sugar, cinnamon, salt, butter, egg. Making an apple pie is really very easy. First, get all the ingredients at the market, mix them well, bake, and serve. Unless, of course, the market is closed. Gone fishing. In that case, go home and pack a suitcase. Take your shopping list and some walking shoes, then catch a steamship bound for Europe. Use the 6 days on board to brush up on your Italian. If you time it right, you'll arrive in Italy at harvest time. Find a farm deep in the countryside. Gather some superb semolina wheat. An armful or two will do. Then hop a train to France and locate chicken. French chickens lay elegant eggs, and you want only the finest ingredients for your pie. Coax the chicken to give you an egg. Better yet, bring the chicken with you. There's less chance of breaking the eggs that way. Get to Sri Lanka any way you can. You can't miss it. Sri Lanka is a pear-shaped island in the Indian Ocean. The best cinnamon in the world is made there from the bark of the native corundu tree. So go directly to the rainforest. Find a corundu tree and peel off some bark. If a leopard is napping beneath the tree, be very quiet. Hitch a ride to England. Make the acquaintance of a cow. You'll know she's an English cow from her good manners and charming accent. Ask if you can borrow a cup or two of milk. Even better, bring the whole cow with you for the freshest possible results. Stow away on a banana boat headed home to Jamaica. On your way there, you can pick up some salt. Fill a jar with salty seawater. When the boat docks in Jamaica, walk to the nearest sugar plantation. Introduce yourself to everyone. Tell them about the pie you're making. Then go into the fields and cut a few stalks of sugar cane. Better fly home. You don't want the ingredients to spoil. Wait a minute. Aren't you forgetting something? What about the apples? Have the pilot drop you off in Vermont. You won't have to go far to find an apple orchard. Pick 8 rosy apples from the top of the tree. Give 1 to the chicken, 1 to the cow, and eat 1 yourself. That leaves 5 for the pie. Then hurry home. Now, all you have to do is mill the wheat into flour, grind the corundu bark into cinnamon, evaporate the seawater from the salt, boil the sugar cane, persuade the chicken to lay an egg, milk the cow, churn the milk into butter, slice the apples, mix the ingredients, and bake the pie. While the pie is cooling, invite some friends over to share it with you. Remember that apple pie is delicious topped with vanilla ice cream, which you can get at the market, but if the market happens to be closed, still fishing. You can eat it plain. And then there's a recipe in the back. And our end papers have our map again. So thanks for listening to our story about how to make an apple pie and see the world. And check out the rest of the Harvest of the Month Club newsletter. And check out the Chicopee Public Library for more videos and things and online story times. And we'll see you soon.